So we are here to support the NATO enhanced air policing mission, which is to safeguard the integrity of the NATO airspace and support our allies in showing resolve in protecting that airspace. Since deploying to Poland, we've had 4 Alpha scrambles, which are decided upon by the CAOC in Germany. They decide to scramble assets to intercept Russian aircraft in these cases that are approaching NATO airspace in order to shadow them or provide information on the flight path of those aircraft. Most of our training is done with partners that are based close by, so the Polish Air Force, both MiG-29 and F-16s, but also the US Air Force, who are based in Lask in Poland with F-15s right now. The French Air Force with Rafales out of Lithuania, but also German aircraft out of Estonia, for example. So what makes the F-35 unique is its capability to use its sensors to provide situational awareness both to the F-35 pilot but also to other aircraft that are participating in the mission together with the F-35. So our main goal is to provide additional situational awareness, as we call it, to other aircraft and support their mission with our sensors.
What we feel, this is a great deal of gratitude, and we feel that support, so we are not alone here, and we know that there is somebody behind our back standing for us there and supporting us. So this emotionally is quite important. That builds friendship and true trust, I would say.